ATM. This is Cheska Fausto of Triggered. Nako naman. Ano ba yung one word to describe my GMA journey? I would have to say, as common as this sound, but amazing. Kasi talagang napaka-amazing naman talaga to be part of this family. You get to meet a lot of people, work with a lot of nice people, and I love it. Even when I was a kid, this has already been a dream of mine. So to be able to experience this, I could really say na it's amazing. Ang message ko lang kay GMA, no, na parang tao siya. Ayan, I hope that you live longer pa talaga at sana mas makapagdala ka pa ng saya sa maraming tao at makakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao at magbigay ka pa ng inspirasyon sa mga kapuso natin. Kaya GMA, maraming salamat dahil naitupad mo yung mga pangarap namin at ng iba.